Should you buy the stablecoin USTC of the Terra Classic project, LUNC, at this time? The latest news indicates that the team behind Terra Classic is discussing and considering the revival of the USTC stablecoin, TerraUSD, after nearly a year of the collapse of the original Terra. Investors are questioning whether it is a good time to buy USTC now and wait for its breakthrough in the upcoming journey. Let's refer to this article to make the final judgment. What is USTC, TerraUSD? USTC is known as a decentralized stablecoin pegged at a 1-to-1 ratio to the USD and managed by Terra Classic. In fact, it is also a stablecoin operating under the name UST on the original Terra blockchain. But after the collapse, it was rebranded as USTC by Terra Classic. Apart from Terra Classic, there is another blockchain forked from Terra, called Terra 2.0. However, this new platform has a different vision and area of operation, focusing on providing the best platform to support dApps and Web3. While Terra Classic still supports USTC and uses LUNC to stabilize its price, LUNC is used by Terra Classic to stabilize the value of the USTC coin. However, the total circulating supply of LUNC on the market was very high as of August 2022, so the value of USTC is still lower than the corresponding $1 ratio. The burning of LUNC has been continuously carried out by the Terra Classic community in an effort to limit the circulating supply in the market and to restore the peg for the USTC coin. However, this process has been challenging and has not shown promising signs yet. What issues did TerraUSD USTC face? Before losing its peg, UST, now USTC, was a stablecoin that used top algorithms in the cryptocurrency market and ranked number 3 in the stablecoin sector. However, the peg loss issue began in May 2022 when large investors began to liquidate their UST holdings from the Anchor protocol. The Anchor protocol is the most popular decentralized financial protocol that provides the best yields when users lend UST, with its APY reaching nearly 20%. However, a significant issue arose when the number of lenders exceeded the number of borrowers, leading to imbalance. Consequently, the yields from the Anchor protocol became volatile and unstable. The frenzy of sell-offs in May 2022 rocked the crypto market, with UST investors selling at low prices, causing the original Terra platform to mint more Luna to stabilize the price of UST against USD. However, this process failed as the value of Luna also decreased, and UST approached a peg loss, leading to its complete collapse. The event where USTC lost its peg not only caused damage to the Terra project but also resulted in significant losses for many investors. Despite the decision to revive Terra by the project's team, confidence in the new USTC has not yet been restored as expected. What is USTC used for? Providing liquidity in DeFi and earning rewards. Most DeFi protocols offer high yields for liquidity providers of USTC pools. Users only need to lock their USTC assets in liquidity pools to earn passive profits. Trading on the market. Some cryptocurrency exchanges support trading pairs with USTC as the base coin. You can trade USTC with other coins/tokens or hold them long-term if you believe in this stablecoin that once dominated the market. Payment method. Using USTC for online payments for your products/services is very convenient. Should you buy stablecoin USTC at this time? USTC is one of the few stablecoins supported by leading algorithms in the cryptocurrency market, but it suffered from the collapse in mid-2022. Due to excessive minting of new tokens on the old Terra platform, LUNC and USTC have a large circulating supply, reducing their value and causing considerable losses for investors. However, increased investor expectations may support USTC to return to a peg of $1 in the future, pegged to the USD. Additionally, this motivates developers to innovate, build, and release decentralized applications on the Terra Classic platform using the USTC stablecoin. This motivation for the Terra Classic system also accelerates the burning process of LUNC coins, helping to increase the price of USTC. Nevertheless, inexperienced investors should be extremely cautious when investing in USTC due to the legal risks that the project team is facing. Terra's credibility has not yet been fully restored after the collapse, making USTC a cautious asset for investors. In summary, buying USTC may be a risky move at this time. However, investors with significant skills can still develop trading strategies with USDC to profit from market fluctuations. Please note that both USDC and LUNC from Terra Classic are still affected by the price of Bitcoin, the price of ETH, and the overall market price trend. Wishing you successful investments.